A crucial meeting of the Chief Ministers on internal security will be held in the capital today. On agenda will be several contentious issues like the AFSPA. Now this even as UPA ally West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has announced that she will not be attending today's meeting. The meeting, of course, is expected to reignite the centre versus state debate.
The stage is set for what promises to be a stormy CM's meet on internal security. A meeting that, though won't deal with the NCTC directly, still promises to reignite the state versus centre federalism debate.
After several chief ministers had protested against the centre's National Counter-Terrorism Centre, today chief ministers from across the country will attend a chief ministers conference chaired by the Prime Minister. Also in attendance will be Union Home Minister Mr. P. Chidambaram. While several internal security related issues like counter-terrorism, intelligence gathering, left-wing extremism will top the agenda, the chief ministers are looking forward to addressing issues related to federalism in a big way.
It started with the Gujarat Chief Minister just hours before the meet, protesting against the move to include the Border Security Force Amendment Bill 2011 in the agenda of the conclave. Conspicuous by her absence will be Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Sources say chief of the key UPA ally, the TMC, will make herself available only for the NCTC meet scheduled for May 5th. The Home Minister, who only recently returned from Jammu and Kashmir, is expected to remind the state that there are as many as 700 to 800 terrorists who are waiting to infiltrate through Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. A separate session on Maoist terror will be dedicated and will take place in the later half of the day. The centre can also expect opposition to its complaint of scarce intelligence gathering by state agencies. How successful will the meet be could perhaps depend on how much the government is willing to give in at the moment. The delay on NCTC is anything to go by. Bureau Report, Times Now.